Okay, let me check on the soup here now. Let me see how far it has gotten. Yes, right. It's cooking down lovely. Wow, wow, wow. Let me get it stirred up. Wow, my soup is bubbling. Wow, my soup is bubbling. Wow, it's bubbling. All right, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add, I have some dumplings over here made from wheat flour and cornmeal. So I'm gonna add them to the pot now. Right. I'm gonna put them here. Right. They can cook down. Yes. Right. I have to be using one of the hands stirring and one holding the phone, so if it's messed up a little, have me excuse. Okay. All right, so I'm just gonna cook down some more. So I'm gonna put on back the lid on the pot. On the pot. Right. I just let it cook down more before I put the other seasoning in there.